Mod 2 for downward facing dog. Starting in that semi-plank position, hands are a little wider apart if those shoulders feel super tight. Feet hip distance apart, a little bend into the knees. From here, keeping the bend into the knees, you're just gonna think of your hips lifting up towards the ceiling, coming into that upside down V position of your body. Head shifts down, looking between the ankles, keeping the spine nice and long. If you feel like your spine is rounding at all, more than likely you need to bend the knees even more. Most important here is to keep the length into the spine, back of the neck long. The action is in the feet and the hands. So as you push your feet down into the floor, you're gonna feel the hips lift. Spreading the fingers wide, imagine pushing the floor forward with your hands. So we find that decompression along the spine. Find your yoga breath. To come out, bring your body weight forward, shoulders back over the wrists. With control, place those knees down onto the floor.